When I got out of prison, I went up in the mountains and I looked around, and I sat down and I seen the water all polluted. I seen the trees being cut down. I seen this concrete maze that man has made. They eat flesh and blood, and then they go to church and talk about thou shalt not kill, and they kill every day with every breath they take. And the only ones that bring change since time began is the young people. The young people are the ones that have to suffer the sufferings to change the system. Maybe we can make a little mark here where we won't need to blow the world up, and the next wave of kids can have their game to straighten out another end of it, like the air, the water, the trees, and the wildlife. See, there's a certain order in life, and the order in life to each man would be himself first. He's arguing with himself. The devil he's chasing is the one that he's living with, that's inside of him. His fears and his doubts he has to deal with. And then after you got yourself in order, then you reach for your city, your town, your country, your world. And you think there's something has to be done here, to reach a balance to where we can have life on this planet.